Welcome to Skye's Crib. Hey guys, I'm so excited to finally give you a tour of Skye's nursery. Welcome. I partnered with West Coast Kids on Skye's Nursery. They are a Canadian family-owned store. We actually registered at West Coast Kids when I was pregnant with Lily, and we got our stroller, our car seat, everything from there, all of our baby gear. And now I'm so excited it's all come full circle and we have our amazing nursery thanks to them. So let me take you on a little tour. For Skye's Nursery, I wanted to go with a very boho vibe. We also knew we were going to name her Skye, so we wanted to go with that theme. That's why you'll see lots of rainbows, clouds, and suns. And I tried to pick bigger furniture that was more neutral that I could dress up with accents to sort of go with the whole boho Skye theme. Hi Skye! First up is the crib. This is the Stork Craft Equinox 3-in-1 convertible crib. I was obsessed with the look of it, particularly the X wood accents. It is made with non-toxic finishes and it has 3 different levels for the crib, plus it converts into a day bed and toddler bed. We went with lamb and ivy sheets for the crib, which are 100% organic, breathable, amazing sheets. I was obsessed with just the pattern of them and the neutral tone of the leaves. And this is a handmade mobile by Pear. We have a lot of Pear stuff in this room that you will see soon. I was obsessed with the colors. They match the decals that we did on the wall. I love the llamas. I think they're so cute, and I think Skye's gonna love them too. I decided to go with the Da Vinci glider because we have one in Lily's room. We are obsessed with it. Would definitely get it all over again. The only difference is that this one has rounded edges, so it's a little bit different looking than Lily's, but same fabric, same material. We know that when it gets milk stained and things like that, it doesn't show up as obviously, so it's a perfect chair for us. Plus it is super comfortable. I have spent many hours sleeping and nursing in my glider from Lily's room, so I know I'm gonna get a lot of use out of this one too.
We dressed up the glider with a cute heart knit pillow and added some rainbow wall art to go with the Skye theme.
This is the Stork Craft modern dresser and change table. I love that the bottom of the legs match the crib with a wood detail. We dressed it up with a Pear change pad cover, and I actually love the look of the open shelves. I threw in some Pear pom-pom baskets to just go with the tones and the colors of the room. And over here we have a Pear bin, which could be for laundry, for toys, anything like that. Probably will be for laundry. I feel like that will be the easiest.
One of my favorite parts of the nursery is the Baby Leto spruce tree bookcase. We did a mix of books and toys on it, and I love that we can change it up as she grows.
We were lucky that this room already had a ton of storage closet-wise, so we didn't need any clothing storage in our dresser. So I'll give you a quick tour of our closets. Actually came with the house, so it was already here. So it's just filled with onesies, hats, bows, things like that. And then here is extra sleep sacks, sheets, change pads, all that kind of stuff. And this is actually a basket of, what are they called again? Carriers, baby carriers. And in this closet, we have some of her hanging clothes, like her nicer pieces. Yes, I know. Oh, Skye. All right, that was it for Skye's nursery tour. Hope you liked it. Thank you so much to West Coast Kids for partnering with us on our nursery. We're so happy with how everything turned out, and thanks for watching.